how to delete Bigo Live account from your Android device. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open a Bigo Live app. After opening up, make sure to log into your account. After logging in, you have to tap on the Me option in the right lower corner, and from over here you have to tap on the Settings in the right upper corner, and here there is an account management option, so you have to go through it. After that, you have to scroll down below a little bit, and there is an account ownership option. In the account ownership, there is a description about your account. At last, there is a delete account option in dark black color, so you have to tap on that, and after that you have to tap on next. After doing that, you can also read the descriptions about your account deletion over here, and after reading you have to go for confirm and continue option. Here again you can read the descriptions, and after reading you have to tap on the I have read and agreed the agreement of account deletion option, and after doing that you have to go for delete account option. Once again it is asked whether you want to delete your account or not. If you want to delete, then you can go for delete account option. If you want to cancel over here, then you can also cancel. After doing that, you can see the account has been deleted. So by following this simple step, you can delete Bigo Live account from your Android device. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.